Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is a midweek haul. We have a lot of magic, including some clearance over at Walgreens. We're going to take more of a thorough look at that. We have Meyer back to school 90% off Burt's Bees, a 4-pack of those lip balms. Wow. And then Rite Aid. I mean, there might be flames coming from my keyboard. It's been an incredible week, and we're going to dive into that. But the first store, I know most of you here are just here for the Walgreens, so we're going to look at that. These Bea energy drinks, which I believe are a summer drink at a lot of stores, this pineapple passion fruit flavor, $3.29 down to 33 cents. I wrote cheap vegan drink. I don't even know if it's vegan. I'm just being stupid. But look for these end caps. And then these Pringles Wavies, the Chipotle Ranch, $2.99. It is hidden clearance because it was 30 cents at most stores. I got 6 for my father-in-law. That's where I'm going to call it good. The Liquid IV in lemon lime for $5.99, 75% off, along with those cool electrical cords, also 75% off at $4.99. Look high and low, and don't be shy to ask a cashier for a price check. Okay, also, this was last weekend. Lots of people were seeing different perfumes. You know, it was like $80 down to $8, like 90% off. I had to leave every single cologne and perfume at the store. My husband's super allergic to all of it, so I didn't buy a single one, but I did look at them. Also, with the coupons.com app, double, triple check if you might have this. I believe it's an anniversary of the coupons.com app. So they're offering a free cookie dough. So you just go to Walmart, maybe even if Walgreens has it, or Dollar General, whatever store you want to shop at, a Meyer, buy it, and then photograph your receipt to the coupons.com app and get some free cookie dough. Okay, the next store that I have is Rite Aid, and I went back this week really hard. The first deal is the Blue Diamond, the cat food, the dog food. Obviously, cat treats and cat food are the cheapest of the cheap. And I'll just explain how this works. I'm going to show you the tag a little clearly. If you buy 2 of these products, you get back $5 in bonus cash, and the limit for this is twice per store card, so you would grab a total of 4 to max it out. But I know a lot of you are like, where's the tag? Here's the tag. So just to give you the quick little write-up here, I grabbed 2 of the cat treats for $4.18, and then I got back $5 of bonus cash, making it free plus an 82-cent moneymaker. And the limit for this is 2. So Blue Diamond cat treats. I think the dog food is like $3.69. It's a little bit more. But the cat food and cat treats are the cheapest, and a great donation item as well. Okay, so the next deal I'm going to look at involves both the Dove and the Olay, but it's over 2 different days, and I'm going to explain it to you. So I wanted to get a lot of these Dove pumps. It's been harder to track down, and it's on this really great promotion of buy 20, get back 10, so that's a 50% return on investment, plus it's BOGO 50% off. Also, there's a promotion if spend 40, get back 10 on any skincare products or certain types of earmarked lotions, body washes, that sort of stuff. And for whatever reason, this is part of it. Now, just to show you my basket, I grabbed 4 of the pump body washes and then 2 regular body washes. And I'm actually going to show you the receipt for this one. And this is just stuff my mom likes, and with her psoriasis, like this is her choice body wash, so I'm like, I really should stock up. I didn't have any manufacturer coupons, but I still try to make a deal happen. I also used this flu shot screenshot that I had. I've used it more than once, and I think it's expiring towards the end of the week, guys, so you do this deal ASAP. Can't stress it enough. Looking at my overall basket, I have $40 here of Dove. So $10.19 for the first pump, $5.09 for the second on a BOGO 50% off. Add it all up. And then my 5 off flu shot came off. So I had to pay $37.84. And then I got back $20 back for buying $40 of Dove. For every 20 you're spending, you're getting back 10. Plus spending $40 on skincare or beauty care, I got back an extra 10, so that's $30 back. So $7.84. However, guys, I also got back another $6 from the Fetch Rewards app, making this whole basket $1.84. The Fetch Rewards app, if you scroll to the very bottom, they're giving back 3,000 points when you buy 2 foaming body washes. So to pay like just under $2 for this whole basket of Dove Magic, make it happen ASAP, especially if you can find these foaming body washes. Did break this up over a couple of days, and the next day I went out and did the P&G basket to spend 30, get back 10. I got 4 of the bar soaps and then 1 pod and then 1 liquid of Tide. And this is $5.44. There's $1 digital for both the pods and the liquid. That's why I got like 1 of each. Look for the stuff that's tagged. Plus my bonus cash challenge is to spend 20, get back 6. And with this purchase, I qualify. If you want to sign up for the bonus cash challenges where you can do these personalized deals to get even more bonus cash, check out the link in the notes with my referral code. You get a little something when you sign up. I get a little, I think $2. It's a really great thing, and I love these bonus cash challenges. Throwing this into my basket, I had 2 coupons from the P&G for 50 cents off of each of those bar soaps. So that's what I also utilized for this deal. Looking at the mathematics for this deal, 4 of the Olay bar soaps on a BOGO 50% off is $22.47, and then 2 of the Tides for $10.88 for a total of $33.35. Got the cashier to scan my flu shot coupon along with the $2 coupons from the October P&G. I had $1 digital for the Tide Pod and Tide Liquid, another $2 melting off. So the new total for me to pay was $24.35. And then I got back $20 in bonus cash, 10 for finishing up the spend 40 on beauty care, plus 10 for spending 30 on P&G products. Plus, I'm going to get another $6 back from the bonus cash challenges probably the week after Halloween. So this is just a free basket of P&G gold. I get a little bit of tracking going on in my baskets. I also did this deal. The store that I visited, these were all tagged for $1.99, and that's how they rang up. But I know that most of you will have to pay $2.99 for them, so that's what the price we're going to look at. So that's why I did it. And I just did them as a separate deal. So grabbing 6 of these at $2.99 a pop. Hold on to your wallet for this one. It's $17.94. And then you get back $12 in bonus cash. It's 6 for every 3 that you're buying. Hopefully that makes sense. And then you've hit your limit. And also this counts for the spend 40 on skincare, beauty care, whatever. Get back 10, so that was a big chunk of it for my Olay, and then the Dove deal as well. Hopefully that is crystal clear. Get out to Rite Aid if you have one. These deals are on fire. The last store that we have is Meyer, which is a grocery store here in the Midwest only. So I did see these limited edition, Discover You. It looked like campus stuff, and I was like, what? And it was $3.49 for a 4-pack. So I'm like, I'm going to buy 2 at $3.49. But I'm like, you know what? Let's look at them a little carefully. That looks like some sort of back to school stuff. And why is it on a weird end cap in the store? It has 4 different flavors, and it just looks kind of strange. So I brought it over to a price scanner for fun and just scanned one, and it was on clearance for $1.19. So that's 90% off. So I'm assuming a lot of their back to school, a lot of their merch is 90% off. So I would definitely be on the lookout for this if you love Burt's Bees. I think this is going to make a wonderful stocking stuffer for my sister-in-laws for Christmas. I like to make all the girls a really nice stocking. And for $1.19, I can pay that all day, every day, and 13 times on a Thursday. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one.